Chapter 20. Articles and Determiners. What is an article or determiner? The words a, an, and the are usually called articles. They are called articles as they have some special significance as the part of speech. They are really demonstrative adjectives. But a, an, and generalized the to denote a class as a whole are not demonstrative adjectives. Now they are called determiners. There are two types of articles. Article 1. Definite article, the. 2. Indefinite article, a, an. 1. If we wish to particularize the noun, we use the definite article. Let us bathe in the river. That is, a particular river. The doctor came here. The doctor means a particular doctor. 2. If we wish to generalize the noun, we use the indefinite article. A tiger lives in a forest. That is, any tiger or tigers and any forest or forests in general sense. An ox is running on the road. Here an ox, that is not any particular ox, is running on a particular road. Use of articles. As a general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. We cannot say, I have seen boy. We must say, I have seen a boy or the boy. But a common noun in the plural number does not require the definite article the unless we wish to particularize the noun. Boys means boys generally are fond of sweets. The boys means those boys already referred to or those boys before us are playing football. Indefinite article a or an, only for singular number but for all genders. The choice between a and an is determined by sound. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound and an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. A before consonant sound. A boy, a lion, a book, a mango, a bag, a student, a cat, a woman, a chair, a table, a dog, a tiger, a horse, a tree. An before vowel sound. An ass, an elephant, an ant, an ink pot, an apple, an ice cream, an arm, an idiot, an egg, an ox, an ear, an orange, an eye, an umbrella. Special use. A before vowel sounding as U or the. A European, a union, a university, a US plane, a useful book, a unique scene, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed deer, a high or higher secondary school. An before consonant sounding as vowel. An hour, H is silent here. An honest man, H is silent. An HS school, an MA, an MSc, an MP, an MLA, an SDO, an NCC. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.